emyaka 30 owihamba Nyantungo mu district ya Kyenjonjo. Kooti ebembirwa omuramuzi Gloria Asibani Mungu ehurire ngo 2016 by'okwezi oku omu kikwekweto ekyakozirwe National Drug Authority kandi bakwatanise nabo by'okwerinda bakakwata abantu aba kandi bashomirwe manja mwenda ezirimu nk'ejo ey'okuguza emibazi ya gavumenti kandi omu muringo gw'ekishobobo okugira eduuka erikutunda emibazi kandi etiikirizibwe okuguza emibazi ei batashemereire kuguza kandi manja ezi zoona baziikirize.
Gukora business on pharmacy otaine license mu tabira kere kukwatagana n'emibazi mwihanga n'eggwanga. So ekigambibwa iwe kikoma Eric odakubaya nk'abagabo ebiri kumi na mukaaga okwezi kwa Novemba omwaka ogu mu kicweka kya Muwa Mata Parish Kikura Sub-County Kyenjonjo okasangibwa oine pharmacy kandi otaine license. So gali lazima n'ebisuru.
Joel Akatukunda Kakuru orukukora nka senior state attorney omu district ya Kyenjonjo nashaba Kooti okujunaana abantu aba n'ekifuba ekibashemereire okugira ngu nangu n'abandi abariyo nibakora omu kiwendo gumwe bakabasa kubareberaho.
Such actions that these convicts deserve a deterrent sentence so that others who desire to do acts like them by stealing government drugs and also others who are like them who are doing businesses which are unlicensed can be deterred from such actions. What is the law that is the National Drug Authority and Policy Act dictates that such a person upon conviction is liable to a fine not exceeding 1 million shillings or imprisonment not exceeding 5 years.
Kakuru hona nayongera ashoborera ngu gavumenti ya Uganda neferwa obuhumbi n'obuhumbi bwa sente okurugwa emibazi egi kandi yakubirira kuyamba abanya-Uganda boona konka nibagiiba bagishohoza omu mahanga gandi nka Congo hamwe n'amahanga gehinguririze Uganda kandi otiireho n'okugira ngu nibagiguza batiine rusa ekirikuteeka amagara g'abanya-Uganda omu kabi.
Government is not aware of where they were taking these drugs. And it is even possible that they were facilitating rebel activities through giving them drugs.
Ubwanyuma y'ebyona omuramuzi Asiba asindikira abantu aba enyuma y'emiteehimbwa okumara emyaka 3 konka Eric Kigoma weyangire kwikiriza emishango emwe nahabw'ekyo naija kugaruka omu Kooti ahabira omwenda by'okwezi kw'okubanza omwaka gw'2024.
Considering all the foregoing, the convicts are sentenced as follows. The first convict, in the first count, 3 years imprisonment. In the second count, 3 years imprisonment. And on the third count, 1 year's imprisonment. The third convict, on count 4 is 3 years imprisonment, and on count 5 is 1 year's imprisonment. And the second convict on count 6 is 3 years imprisonment. And these sentences will run concurrently. You have a right of appeal within 14 days if you are dissatisfied with this decision. A2 is to appear in court on the 9th of January for hearing on the counts that he pleaded not guilty. That is for count 7, count 8 and count 9.
Omu myezi eshatu yonka abantu barikwingana 10 nibo bakwasirwe omu kikwekweto ekitwire nikikorwa aba National Drug Authority bakwatanise n'ebyokwerinda obwo barikuronda abaturaniri b'emibazi ya gavumenti kandi ahari aba abantu bana bonka nibo bakomerwe.
Each of them is sentenced to 3 years imprisonment.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Olivia Nasasira ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.